In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable SMS notifications in Hostinger. If you want to stay updated on important activity in your Hostinger account, turning on SMS notifications can be a very useful option. It gives you a quick way to receive alerts directly on your phone, which can help you respond faster whenever there is an important update. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to enable it in just a few moments. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're fully logged in so you can access your account settings without any interruptions. Once you're inside the main dashboard, take a moment to look around the top area of the screen, because that's where you'll usually find your account controls and personal settings. Next, click on your profile. This will open the section where your account-related options are stored. If you've never explored this area before, don't worry. It's the place where you can manage personal preferences, account details, and other settings connected to your Hostinger experience. After that, click on Notification Settings. This is the section that controls how Hostinger communicates with you. Depending on your account layout, you may see several different notification methods available, such as email or other alert preferences. The key thing here is to look for the SMS option. Once you're in the notification settings area, you can mark the check under SMS. Enabling this checkbox tells Hostinger that you want to receive text message notifications for supported updates. Be sure the check is clearly selected before you move on. If there is a Save button on your screen, it's always a good idea to save the change so the new setting is properly applied. That's it. SMS notifications should now be enabled on your Hostinger account. From this point forward, you'll be better prepared to receive important alerts in a more immediate and convenient way. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to review your notification settings every so often to make sure they still match your preferences. That way, you can stay informed without missing important account updates. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you enable SMS notifications in Hostinger quickly and easily.